engine of Dominic Toretto's car, the Sport, and it's really cold. I bought it on Walmart, and the back looks very nice. Awesome design, very good exterior I meant, and the other side is the engine, is the Supro. I bought this like $49 something. The Neutra's right over there. It's a model car. Dominic Toretto's muscle car. And the engine looks very nice designed. Looks more cooler. This looks cooler in the inside, but it looks very cool, half cool on the outside. I've seen Fast and Furious 9, Fast and Furious 6, plus Fast and Furious 11's coming out, and I might want to buy it with my own money. And enjoy this video, and enjoy.